Hey guys, I had a request from a couple students to do one of the 44, 45, or 46, so I thought I'd go ahead and talk a little bit about number 45, and if I have time maybe I'll jump in and do 46 as well, now that I've got the kids to bed. But so if we look at number 45, it was the cylinder, alright, and it has a height of 10, as you can see in this sketch of a picture, and it had a radius, or actually a diameter of 7, which in this picture the radius of 3.5 was drawn in its place. And then from there, the student work that I have here wrote in the formula right here for the surface area of a cylinder. And the only change that would be made, and the student did it but didn't show it in the write-up here, would be to nix out the 2, because it's in the 2 pi r squared, because we're not doing 2 circles, because if you remember in the write-up it says that last line we're not going to paint the bottom of the cylinder, so we're going to only use pi r squared and not 2 pi r squared. Okay, so oops. Yeah, still trying to figure out this whole. There we go. Look at this. Zooming in. So we're going to go ahead and nix out that 1, 2, right, and then this one here, and then it's just pi r squared. And when you do all that, you do replace the r radius with 3.5 for both. You do 2 times pi times 3.5 times 10 plus pi r squared, or pi 3.5 squared. You end up getting this answer here for that surface area as 258.265. So that's the surface area for one can. And in the write-up it says we're going to multiply by 9. There's 9 cans that we're doing. So we took the 258.265 and we multiplied by 9 to get our final total surface area of all the cans as 2,324.385. Alright, which is perfect. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and divide by 18. Alright, because I believe it was 18 square centimeters per gallon, I believe. And so then it gets you, with that information, it tells you that once you divide by 18 square centimeters per gallon, that it's going to be 129.1325 gallons of substance that we're going to paint these with, or put on these things that we're going to need, which you can't have 0.1325 gallons of anything, so we're going to round that up to 130. So in this work, the student didn't round it to 130, but ideally here, this problem, as it reads, should be 130 times the 32, which then would give you a final answer of it would cost $4,160 total for all of it. So the process was, going back, the process was to take the surface area of 1 using, and then not doing the bottom base, getting the 258.265, multiplying that by 9 because there was 9 total cylinder cans, and then dividing that by 18 because it was 18 square centimeters per gallon, which gives you the total number of gallons of about 130. Do the 130 times the 32 to give you the final answer of 4,160. Alright guys, I hope that helps. Number 46 is very similar, it's just you're going to use the lateral area. And if I have time I'll go ahead and make that video. Otherwise, hopefully this helps you guys. Alright, bye.